Kalahandi is located in southwestern Odisha with headquarters at Bhawanipatna. It is well connected with major cities like Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Sambalpur, Raipur and Visakhapatnam through an extensive network of railways and highways. The district will soon have an operational airport at Utkela under RCS Udan scheme. It gives me immense pleasure to share that Kalahandi has recently been awarded National MSME Award for outstanding contribution in promotion and development of MSME sector in aspirational districts category. Building on this, Kalahandi is marching towards realizing its industrial potential. The district has deposits of bauxite, graphite and gemstones. Bauxite mining by Utkal Alumina and 2 MTPA alumina refinery along with power plant by Vedanta are the major industrial units. These provide opportunity for establishment of multiple ancillary and downstream industries. 2 industrial clusters are already operational in the district at Kesinga and Bhawanipatna. Further, 3 more industrial clusters with a total area of 365 acres are under development at Kesinga, Junagadh and Golamunda. These clusters have potential of attracting more than 1,000 crores of investment and generating employment for around 2,500 people. Kalahandi is the largest producer of cotton and second largest producer of paddy in the state. This has led establishment of cotton ginning mills and rice mills. 82 acres of land earmarked for cotton ginning and further downstream operations is available to set up cotton-based industrial cluster. Further, 2 grain-based ethanol plants with combined investment of more than 435 crores are in the pipeline. The district is bestowed with massive 15,000 hectares of water resource and has been identified under the ODOP scheme of the Government of India in fisheries sector. There is huge potential for fish processing industries and cage culture in Indravati Reservoir. Kalahandi also has unique handicrafts and handlooms. It is famous for teak wood craft, terracotta, dokra casting, stone carving and bamboo crafts. Also, the GI tag Habaspuri Sari has a special place in Odisha's handlooms. These crafts are being promoted under the brand of Kalahandi Craft and are also marketed on e-commerce platforms. Tourist attractions Museum and Park Complex hold a lot of promise with their scenic beauty and investment opportunity for establishment of hotels, restaurants and resorts. Above aspects combined with advantage of Biju Expressway and availability of skilled human resource make Kalahandi the upcoming industrial hub of Western Odisha. The district administration looks forward to more and more investments in all industry sectors. Will ensure that all necessary support and facilitation is provided in a time-bound and transparent manner. Kalahandi has joined the Juggernaut. When will you?